Hey guys, my name is Monique and I'm going to be showing you how I do glitter lashes. It's super fun for holiday, it gives you a pop when you walk in the door, and it's super easy. What you're going to do is find your lash. These are the Naomi lash. I absolutely love these. The band is super tiny and they're very fluttery. So what you're going to do is take your lash and measure it to your eye. After you've cut your lashes, you're going to go ahead and take your Volume Plus glue and you are going to, I put it in the little lash tray here. And I have my lash that's all cut. So I'm just going to dip my brush into the glue and I'm going to do it in thirds. So I'm going to take the front part of the lash and apply a little bit of glue. Grab my glitter, which I am using the teal piece, which is so pretty. Here, I'll show you. It's beautiful. So I'm going to take another flat brush, dip into the glitter. I'll show you guys. You dip into the glitter and then you're just going to literally paint your lashes. Get the top and the bottom of them. And don't be afraid to apply too much because what's going to happen is a lot of it's going to fall as you're seeing. And so you really want to make sure it's on there. And then I'm going to do the same step again for the rest of the lashes. Once you've done that, your lash looks something like this, super cute. And you want to make sure to kind of just tap on it to get any extra glitter that hasn't adhered. As you can see, this glue is really strong, so it holds really well. And then you just go ahead and apply. I am taking my Lash Lock glue, which is a waterproof latex free glue, and I'm just applying that to the lash band. And then I'm just gonna pop these on my eyes. So as you can see, I've done one eye. Look how cute these are. Super festive, and that will stay all night with this glue. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. So I finished putting on the other lash. This glue will last all night, so you don't have to worry about your lashes coming off. This is so festive and so cute. When you come into a room, people are gonna notice your lashes. It's just so cute. I absolutely love it. Let me know if you guys have any questions.